Alright guys, this is a maggot farm. As you can see, this is where they'll be laying their eggs. This is where they'll be laying their eggs. So I've just started. Let's see what we can get from this. Okay, this is a love net. This is another one too. Yeah. Let's see what we come up with. See, the thing is doing jibri 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 jibri. Oh my god. Oh, you can use this to feed your livestock. This is where they will be laying their eggs. They'll be laying their eggs. The black soldier flyer have not hatched yet. So when they're hatched, I'll trap them with the net. So that's it for now. Okay. You can only use water to sprinkle on this net to return the black soldier fly maggots on the hash. Okay. See you guys in my next video. MC Chidiali.